days ago, and almost 2,000 were ordered. They are fresh from the fair, meaning from the Vicenza Jewelry Fair that David Markstein has been to countless amounts of time. He lost count years ago. It's in Italy, and the best of the best manufacturers of sterling silver, of gold, of what's happening in jewelry are there. And it was like a month ago, right? So
less than a month ago.
Less than a month ago. So these you're reserving yours because they're so fresh. They haven't been made yet.
Nope.
So
Only
all we have
are right here.
are these samples right here.
Back like I was guarding them with my life.
They deliver to you the week of March 24th. But they are the hottest thing happening. The paperclip has been on fire. It's now a classic. So brands and designers are looking for different ways to interpret it, and this one I've never seen before. And I'm going to allow David, to talk you through exactly what that process is. But let me take you through your choices, because you have the choice between the 18-inch, 20-inch, or 22-inch in the yellow gold. Oh no, sorry. This one is the yellow two-tone.
Yep.
Two-tone yellow.
Two-tone yellow.
So that's what you're looking at there. So you see the silver coming through and the yellow gold. Underneath that, we have the yellow choice,
yes,
which is the 18-karat yellow gold layered over the sterling silver. This is the black choice, two-tone black. Then we have, I have the all silver on in the 20-inch, so we don't have it here. So let's go here in the middle, and then we also have the rose, the two-tone rose, which I'm also wearing. So, two-tone yellow, yellow, two-tone black, silver, and two-tone rose in the 18-inch, which you're saving $17, the 20-inch you're saving $23, the 22-inch you're saving $23. But just to let you know, any of them are adjustable anywhere, because you can take the lobster claw clasp and stick it into one of those links.
That's right.
Which I love how like adjustable that is. Okay, David Markstein used to be a buyer here at QVC, has his own line now, very huge connections with everyone in the Vicenza Fair.
Yes.
Like I hear you walk in and everybody goes, oh, David's here, David's here, David's here.
I wouldn't say that, but I've been around a while.
But your mission is to go to the fair and see what's happening
Yes.
there and bring it to us in really wearable ways.
Yes, and for this item to be on QVC right now is a miracle in its own right. I was just there at the fair, and we walked the fair. We have appointments at these factories who know us so well, and this is something we were working on, didn't think it would be achieved, and we found it there, and we immediately took the samples, even though they wanted to show it to everybody at the fair. You know, every country in the world comes to this fair in the jewelry industry, and this is something that we literally grabbed these samples, and we have the only samples here. Why we call it a fresh from the fair is that it's literally so fresh that there's no order right now here at QVC. There's no product here at QVC.
And in the past, we would have waited.
We would have waited. And then why we're doing this now is why do this? Because we think this is so hot. We could place an order and it would take 3 months to deliver here, and then you present the item on air. We wanted to present this so fast because it's so hot right now that all you have to do is reserve yours. Let me explain why I'm so passionate about this, why this is probably one of the top 10 pieces I've ever seen in my 32 years. We challenged the factory to come up with a paperclip chain, which they did here. And what they did was it starts all white. And then they put a layer of this in the 18-karat yellow gold, or the black rhodium, part of the platinum family, or the white rhodium. Then they diamond cut through it. So it has that two-tone effect that looks like beautiful diamonds. It's amazing. When you move with this, it dazzles in the light. And so I've never seen anything like this. We challenged them. I didn't think it could be done. And we made it in the necklace and the bracelet that's right over here, by the way. And we made it affordable, but this is solid. And this is something that everybody in the industry wanted. But we have it, and they agreed to do this for us because of our relationship with them. But again, all you're doing today is reserving yours, and you have it in all these beautiful colors. Black, by the way, one of the hottest colors
Huge,
happening right
yes.
now.
400 orders have been placed. This is a unique opportunity. You are reserving yours. So please get it now on a $14 to $18 easy pay. Think about getting multiples because you have so many different ways to wear these together. We have the 18-inch chain, the 20-inch chain, the 22-inch chain. You're looking at the two-tone yellow there. We have the solid yellow.
Yep.
We have the two-tone black. And then the two-tone rose.
The
And then
two-tone-
all three. Oh, and then the solid silver.
The two-tone
Which I
yellow
stole.
was the most popular because it really does have that look of diamonds, and
Yeah.
that two-tone is so popular. Yellow and white combination is everywhere right now.
And we also have the bracelet, which is a $10 savings, a $7 easy